How to get a job in Kenya. First, we start with networking. It's all about having a connection of people like a social group of friends. Remember, they have to be working, cause that's how you start manifesting of your future. Keep their contacts and check on them often, as in short, be in touch with them. Socialize with them on social media, like their posts, interact with them, be supportive online. Be present to them even when they throw parties, show them you care for them and they will return same to you, especially on the job part. The second one is money. These days most people trust money than people themselves, not bribing, this is different. Remember, you have a network of people, so strengthen your bond as much as possible. Send them at least a small amount to show support. Look at it as an investment when in case they hear an opening. Next we will talk about his skills. Having skills means having talent. This is something you discovered that you are very good at and you enjoy doing it. You will add to your degree or diploma. Being multi-skilled will take you far, you just have to believe in yourself. You can get a gig from a different field, that's why this is important. Education is another part to note on this journey. Education is not over after graduation, school just prepared you about life. Life is a journey and school has just prepared you for it. Every challenge is a learning opportunity, this is something you have to put in your mindset, otherwise you will fall. When you conquer this you become untouchable. Another is standout. Being unique. Your style and identity in the society. Whenever you go, make sure you have an inerasable imprint, that will make you not be forgotten. Application for job. It should be superior to others and unique and interesting and detailed. Remember, it represents you and your image, so make sure to make them notice you. The last part is location. Not all jobs are in the location you want, so you have to move. Sometime you have to travel to discover job opportunities. Don't rely on online search, it may deceive you. You may meet your future boss on the road. And when you get the job, do not over-ask or try to get the highest offer, just play low until you are settled. Now my people, go out now and look for opportunities with this in mind, I declare you
job search experts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and comment. It will mean a lot. Bye.